As interest rates are high, I know a lot of buyers, when they're going into the market today, they're thinking already about refinancing. When does it make sense for a homeowner to refinance their home?
I would say when the current interest rates are at least 1 point less than your interest rate. If you have a 7.5 interest rate and the current interest rate is 7%, it's not worth it to refinance. The payment's going to be minimal. The difference in payment is going to be minimal. But if you got a 7.5 and the rates are 6.5, you might start thinking about refinancing. Depends how comfortable you are with your current monthly payment. For example, on my own mortgage, I had a 5% interest rate. And then when everything tanked a couple years ago, of course, I refinanced like everybody else. And now I have a 2.5% interest rate. That saved me a couple $100 on my mortgage. So yeah, of course, that makes sense. So a 1% difference is the bare minimum before anybody should consider refinancing.
Would another important factor be the length remaining on your loan?
Yes, that comes into it as well. In some scenarios, again, when the time to refinance comes up, talk to somebody like me. We can go over your specific situation. Sometimes it might make sense to refinance not only the rate, but refinance from a 30-year mortgage to a 15-year mortgage. Doing that, you'll get a lower rate. Your payment might go up a little bit, but that payment's going to be going towards your principal a lot more than with a 30-year where most of your payment's going towards interest. So there's a lot of different factors. But again, don't even start thinking about refinancing until the current rates are at least 1 point less than your current rate.